Hey, quick video on my DIY dollar store glue pot for leatherworking. As you guys already know, contact cement comes in containers like this paint container or a twist top. They're both terrible. The paint can types are a pain in the ass to open and they're just messy. The twist type are even worse. They get glued, the lids always get glued shut. So what most people do, or most serious leather workers, they buy these glue pots, like something like this one. They're expensive, and I don't think they're necessary. I don't think they're necessary unless you're doing a ton of leather work. If you're a professional and you're working all day long, maybe it's necessary. But if you're a hobbyist or if you're not working on really large projects, I think something like this is not only just as good, I think it's actually better, and I'm going to explain why. So what this is, it's a dollar store jar with a cork. They cost $1. Every dollar store I've ever been in, at least in my neighborhood, has them, so I'm sure you should have no trouble finding them. What you do is you drill a hole in the cork, and then you go to your hardware store and you get one of these. This is called an acid brush. It'll be in the welding section or the soldering section. These are used to apply flux for soldering. So you basically you just drill a hole in the cork and you stick the brush in the hole, and you're done. You're ready to go. But what you got to do also, to what I find makes this better, I don't know if you can see it in there, there's a spool of wire in the jar. Just take a bunch of wire, wrap it around in the shape of a donut, and just stuff it in there. The reason why I do that is so that I have something to wipe the brush on. This way I'm not standing there like this, waiting for the glue to drip off. If you wipe the brush on the wire, you could take it out immediately. That is one reason that I like this better than the expensive glue pots. And the second reason, it's the portability. If you look, it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. I don't know about how you guys work, but the way I work is I'm constantly walking around the table. And having the ability to carry this around with me easily, which you can't really do that with those big glue pots, it's just so much better for me. This whole setup is $1.50, so I don't think, unless you're a professional leather worker and you're literally gluing all day long, or gluing like saddles or really big projects, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be not only just as good, but wouldn't be better. And it's only $1.50. Anyway, that's my quick video. Hope you got something from it. If you did, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I have a ton of content that I want to release, but I'm holding off on it. I'm trying to wait till I get to 1,000 subscribers before I release it. So if you guys could help me get there a little bit sooner, I'd really appreciate it. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video, and have a good one.